¿Qué estás comiendo, Yami? ¿La médula?
La médula. Esto se come. O sea,
Sí.
es lo más importante.
Sí. It's the grilled marrow. A ver. So this amazing knife was gifted to me by one of my very close friends. And it comes with a really nice handwritten letter by Ramo Filos. And this is an awesome tool for the kitchen, for cooking. And then you've got a few recommendations, what you should do, what you shouldn't do. Welcome back to Argentine Osso. Today we are going to be doing something very different because it happens to be storm outside. So we're going to be in the kitchen this afternoon, and I just want to show you this beautiful present that I got from a friend from Ramo. Filo is the guy that makes these. These are all handmade and they're absolutely incredible. We'll see about it with our Argentine Osso chopping board. And today we are going to be doing an awesome recipe, which I'm going to share with you now. So for a cold winter afternoon, I have OssoBuco. I've got 4 steaks here of OssoBuco, and I've got my veggies over here. And we are going to be doing a reduction for the OssoBuco. And we're going to be doing this with some sweet potato. We've got our veggies. Also got a little bit of parsley there, some leek. And we are also going to be using our Shank, which is the cast iron, cooking set. And I actually have a few more of these, which I'll show you guys here. And this is a really small one for doing things like maybe garlic or things smaller things. And then I've got like a medium sized one and then the large one here. So step 1 is I'm going to heat up my cast iron skillet. And once we've got this nice and hot, we're going to actually one by one put the steak in and just sear it on each side. A little bit of salt, a bit of black pepper, and nothing else. And my hair is about as unruly as a OssoBuco steak. Doesn't know what it wants to do. Come on, let's get cooking. Okay, so once the oil is nice and hot, I'm just going to add in the steak. So I have basically I've sealed these 5 steaks on each side, and now I am just sauteing a little bit the onion with a bit of garlic. I'm going to add the rest of the vegetables to here. I'm going to make sure it is on the bottom, not on the top. Then we're going to add a bit of red wine. We're going to add some tomato puree, some garlic, some ginger, and a few extra herbs, including fresh rosemary, and we're going to be good to go. So now our veggies are all soft. I've just added a little bit of red wine. We are going to transfer it over to this oven dish. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the vegetables below the meat and then put the meat on top. And then all around that, I'm going to add my tomato puree, which I've just prepared here, and a little bit of tomato extract, and then a bit of red wine, and then that is going to be ready to go in the oven for an hour and 30 minutes. Okay, and now I'm taking the steaks and I'm literally just putting them into here. And as you can see, I prepared this with all the veggies underneath the meat. Okay, so the bad boy is ready to go in the oven. We're just going to cover it, and then we're going to put it in the oven and come back in an hour and a half. In she goes. Vamos, amigos. So it's in the oven, just cleaning up. As always, a bit of vino. Salud, amigos. So, it's been in the oven for 1 hour and 30 minutes, the OssoBuco. And it should be super good. Okay, so I often do this in the fire oven, but today, as in the wood fire oven, but let's do it in this, the normal oven. And yeah. Look at this, just pulls apart. Oh my god. Vamos. Vamos. Okay, so here goes for the test. Amazing. The OssoBuco is just so tasty. It has a lot of fiber. It's not very fatty other than the bone marrow. It is obviously extremely tough if you don't cook it slowly and give it enough humidity. And when you do, it's like this. It melts in your mouth. So great recipe. Hope you guys enjoy it for a cold winter evening. And yeah, and wash it down with some nice Malbec. Goodbye, my friends, and thank you. ¿Qué estás comiendo, Shami? ¿La médula?
La médula, que es lo más rico. Esto se come. O sea,
Sí.
es lo más importante.
Sí. It's the grilled marrow.
O sea, no puedes no comerlo, prácticamente.
Lo tenés que comer. A ver. Esa. Pleasure.
Mm.
Pleasure. Pleasure.